Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock out your Discord account from all devices at once. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application in my mobile phone and we have to go to the Discord setting, but before it, we can go to our profile first. Click on your profile and you can click on this setting icon on the top right. In here, we need to select devices. Okay, and as you can see guys, these are other devices I have logged into with my Discord account. And if we want to log out our Discord account from all devices at once, we just need to click on log out all devices. Just click on this option, and after that you're going to verify with a password. You need to enter your password, and right after you enter your password, you'll be able to log out from all devices you have logged into with your Discord account. And I don't want to log out from all my devices, so I'm just going to go back. Alright guys, and that's all the way to log out Discord account from all devices at once. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.